Hey friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. How is it going on? So today, if you want to play big in the online earning market, then this video is just for you. So how much do you make from your e-commerce business website is the question today. I remember this figure because it's from the last month only. I didn't make it, but my client earned it with the help of Google Ads. And that was around 73,000 USD in net profit from one product and in a single static page. So the maximum net profit I have seen in my entire career in a single month is like 2.3 million USD. Now these values must be very big for you, but it was for a manufacturing company and for a wholesale department that I worked on. So I'm a head of business strategies and lead sales department. I know that the internet is 90% deception. Gurus you see on the internet do make money, but they do earn hundreds and thousands of dollars each month. Okay. But they don't tell you the truth about how do they do it. A common person thinks the gurus are geniuses, but they earn the money without any help. But that's not the true thing about it. I'm telling you this because I deal with these gurus all the time. I deal with the affiliate marketers, product manufacturers, service providers, small businesses owners, and a few corporate industry members too. They only tell us about their businesses and products in a very little way, because 99.99% of the work they will never explore to you. You do a competitive research, industry, crowd advertising, identification also, analyze or create an offer, write ads, and many other things. Gurus you see on the internet or YouTube aren't fooling you, but because they do find the product and analyze their market beforehand, and with the trend, they will do it perfectly so that they can earn it. The fear of failure comes to their shoulders too. But they do what they do the best and leave the other works for the professionals. The common problem I see with the most of the e-commerce store owners is the way they want the versatile people and the jack of all the trades to work on their own strategies. So how long does it take to make money from the e-commerce websites? The answer to the question largely depends on the e-commerce business models you choose, okay, as well as the number of other factors such as Nike you enter and the size of your investment and your level of experience also. That being said, it is generally possible to start seeing a return on your e-commerce website within a 6 to 12 months. This timeline can be shortened or lengthened depending on the factors mentioned above. If you have a well-designed website, offer quality products or services, and invest time and money into marketing your e-commerce business, then you should start seeing a profit within a first year of the operation. Of course, this is not say that all the e-commerce businesses will be successful. Many will fail also due to the lack of planning and preparation. So if you are thinking about starting an e-commerce business, be sure to do your own research and create a solid business plan before making any major decisions. And remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful online store. To get started, you need a website and not just a regular one, but also shopping based module also. For this, I would recommend a Wix or GoDaddy site builder. Head over to the site and start your appearance over the internet today. I wonder if e-commerce is so lucrative, why is it so hard to make money out of it? And there is a saying I heard once, you will make like more money by selling the pans than you ever will be panning for the gold itself. So whether it's a drop shipping, blogging, being a YouTuber or whatever, is going to be a competitive because of barrier to the entry is very low and everyone wants to do it. So admittedly, some people do make living out of this, okay, doing these things, but most don't even try to do that. Anyone who tells you how easy it is trying to sell your dream, then chances are that they will have an ebook or course, seminar or something similar to sell to you also. If you don't have a product of their own, then they could be making money from ad revenue from you viewing their website or videos. They may even offer you a free ebook. This is what known as a lead magnet, okay. Chances are that they will then start emailing you with the offers and other products from the affiliate programs they are involved with. So check out the affiliate commissions for the stuff like Shopify, and you will see why many people market e-commerce as a lucrative business model, but not get rich quick scheme obviously. So can you actually make money from an e-commerce business? That's the real question. So the answer is yes. How much can you make in a month? E-commerce business allows you to make money today, but it requires a lot of effort. Some newbies don't make money in the e-commerce, but some professionals earn between like $1,000 to $100,000 per monthly. So e-commerce is very diverse and versatile and can be profitable or lossy as well. So the hardest part is finding your Nike and attracting the buyers actually. If you sell everything, then you will not have a specific customer base. Okay, you will have wide customer base. You will have to take care of every customer and their choices, and you will start growing your filters that way. So we must try to attract new buyers with the new products only. Here are some tips to me for being successful on e-commerce. Pay special attention to the website and think through everything to the smallest details. Take your time to open your own website. Pay attention to the new user. It would be best if you created a certain conveniences for the users, like personal account on the site with wish list, discounts for the constant visits to the websites. Okay. Then use social media to spread your products and drive the traffic towards it. Do not forget about SEO optimization so that as many people as possible know about you. Collect and analyze market information on regular basis. Okay, invest more and more money in the development of your e-commerce business. I gained all this knowledge and experience thanks to the ecommerce. Okay, you can go to the ecommerce and there is the online course that is available with them, which you can go through from Franklin Hatchett's. Okay, and work on your strategies. I studied every word and every video on in the course so that you can start gaining the experience right before the starting of the business. It is one of the best online courses I have already taken. A review of this online e-commerce course you can find at wisdomfuel.com also, so that you can understand the legitimacy of them. E-commerce business is a digital way to profit from like another part of the planet, but it takes a lot of effort and a lot of time. Today, the best option is to create an online store and enter the e-commerce market. Of course, there are already monopolies here, but you can find buyer for your product. The main thing is to believe in yourself and start plotting your strategies before earning a decent amount of money from it. So guys, go ahead, start building your e-commerce business today only. There are different strategies already plotted over the internet and in the YouTube also. Start watching the YouTube videos from the Amazon reviews kind of videos. Okay, these channels will provide which product is being liked most over the internet, so that you can choose that product category, so that you can list it onto your e-commerce business and start with it. You can also collect information locally by visiting the local stores. Okay, collect which product is being sold most on the streets. Okay, you can then collect the information, digitalize those products by taking good pictures of it and then putting a nice description for it, and then creating a big wish list for your customers over the internet. So you can also plug in your e-commerce sites with the social platforms, for example Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, so that you can drive the traffic from there to your website, and possibly you can then have a lead generation from them. So guys, there are different strategies for this one. Just go and start doing it and check out which one more suitable to you and start earning money with this kind of business. Thank you guys.